From the bustling heart of London to the tranquil peaks of the Himalayas, the way we journey and experience the world has been utterly transformed by the digital age. Airbnb, a remarkable online marketplace, stands as a testament to this evolution, connecting travelers with unique lodgings and immersive experiences across the globe. But like setting foot on an unexplored shore, taking those first steps into the world of Airbnb can seem daunting. This film, dear viewers, serves as your compass and guide, leading you step by step through the intricacies of this exciting platform. Before we embark on our adventure, we must first equip ourselves for the journey ahead. Just as a seasoned explorer packs their rucksack, we begin by creating an account on the Airbnb platform. This digital passport, much like its physical counterpart, grants us access to a world of possibilities. The process is remarkably straightforward, akin to stepping through an open doorway. Airbnb offers us the convenience of using existing credentials from Google or Facebook, seamlessly linking our digital identities. Or if you prefer, a unique username and password combination can be forged, acting as the key to your personal Airbnb experience. With a few clicks, much like plotting coordinates on a map, you provide essential information: your name, location, and preferred language. These details form the foundation of your Airbnb profile, allowing hosts to get a glimpse of the traveler behind the screen. Adding a photograph to your profile allows hosts to put a face to the name, fostering a sense of familiarity and trust. And finally, a brief biographical sketch. Share a touch of your personality, your passions, perhaps a favorite travel anecdote. With our trusty Airbnb account in hand, we set off into the digital wilderness, a realm teeming with unique abodes. Much like an explorer meticulously studying a map, Airbnb empowers us with powerful tools to navigate this vast landscape. At the heart of our exploration lies the search bar, a gateway to countless possibilities. Input your desired destination: a bustling city, a remote village, or perhaps a secluded island retreat. Airbnb grants you the freedom to dream big, to chase horizons both familiar and unknown. But our journey doesn't end with a simple location. Dates, those crucial markers of time, must be carefully considered. Airbnb's intuitive calendar interface allows you to select your desired travel window, ensuring your chosen haven aligns perfectly with your itinerary. Now let's delve into the heart of our search: the filters. Like a seasoned prospector sifting for gold, these tools empower us to refine our search, unearthing those hidden gems that perfectly match our desires. Price range, that ever-present consideration, can be meticulously set, ensuring our exploration remains within the bounds of our budget. Airbnb understands this, offering an array of filters catering to our every whim. Read the reviews, fellow travelers. These digital testimonials offer invaluable insights into the experiences of those who have ventured before us. Our exploration has led us to a promising haven, a digital oasis that beckons us to experience its charms firsthand. But before we settle in, we must first secure our booking, a crucial step in solidifying our travel plans. Airbnb offers two primary booking methods: instant booking and request to book. Instant booking allows us to confirm our stay immediately, much like securing a last-minute campsite before nightfall. It's a streamlined process, ideal for those who value efficiency and spontaneity. Request to book involves a touch more finesse, allowing for a more personalized interaction. Once our booking request is accepted, we transition from digital explorers to confirmed guests. Airbnb handles all financial transactions, ensuring a smooth and worry-free experience. Just as a seasoned explorer respects the delicate balance of nature, so too must we, as responsible guests, adhere to the guidelines set forth by our Airbnb hosts. These house rules, much like the customs of a foreign land, ensure a harmonious and respectful coexistence within the shared space we inhabit. Before we unpack our virtual bags, we must first familiarize ourselves with these rules, often found within the detailed descriptions of each listing. Noise levels, those echoes of human activity, are often a primary concern. Some hosts, seeking tranquility, may request that we maintain a respectful silence during certain hours. Smoking is often strictly prohibited within the confines of an Airbnb listing. Pets, those beloved companions, may or may not be welcome guests depending on the host's preferences. Cleaning expectations vary from host to host. Some may request meticulous cleaning, while others may simply ask that we tidy up after ourselves. By respecting these house rules, we demonstrate our appreciation for the hospitality extended to us. This fosters a positive and mutually beneficial relationship between guest and host. Our journey has reached its penultimate stage, the moment we've eagerly anticipated arrival at our chosen Airbnb haven. But before we cross the threshold and settle into our temporary abode, we must first navigate the crucial steps of check-in. Airbnb hosts employ a variety of check-in procedures, each tailored to their personal preferences and the unique characteristics of their property. Some may greet us personally, a warm smile and a handshake welcoming us to their domain. Others may opt for keyless entry systems, granting us access through digital codes or smartphone apps. Regardless of the method employed, clear and timely communication with our host is paramount. Prior to our arrival, it is essential to confirm the designated check-in time and any specific instructions we need to follow. Upon arrival, we take a moment to familiarize ourselves with our surroundings, noting the location of essential amenities. As our adventure draws to a close, we must adhere to the checkout procedures outlined by our host. Checkout times are crucial to avoid any inconvenience or overlap with incoming guests. We strive to depart promptly at the designated hour, allowing our host ample time to prepare the space for their next visitor. A quick message of thanks to our host, expressing our gratitude for their warmth and generosity, is a small gesture that goes a long way. In the bustling marketplace of the digital age, where interactions are often reduced to fleeting messages and impersonal transactions, Airbnb stands apart, fostering a spirit of connection and community. At the heart of this ethos lies the importance of communication, a vital thread that weaves together hosts and guests in a tapestry of shared experiences. Airbnb's messaging platform serves as our virtual town square, a digital space where conversations flow freely, questions are answered, and connections are forged. It is through this channel that we, as intrepid explorers of the Airbnb world, can engage with our hosts, seeking guidance, sharing observations, and expressing gratitude. Before we embark on our journey, the messaging platform provides an invaluable opportunity to introduce ourselves to our hosts. During our stay, the messaging platform serves as a direct line to our host, allowing us to relay any questions or concerns that may arise. But communication within the Airbnb community extends beyond mere logistics and problem solving. It's an opportunity to share our travel stories, to exchange insights and recommendations, and to forge connections that transcend the boundaries of our digital interactions. As our Airbnb adventure draws to a close, we find ourselves reflecting on the memories made, the experiences savored, and the connections forged. But our journey doesn't end with the click of the checkout button. We have one final crucial task to complete, sharing our story through the Airbnb review system. These digital testimonials serve as invaluable guides for future travelers, illuminating the hidden gems and potential pitfalls that lie ahead. The review process is simple and intuitive, inviting us to share our honest and unbiased feedback about our stay. Airbnb provides a structured framework, prompting us to rate our experience across various aspects. But the heart of our review lies in the written portion, where we have the opportunity to elaborate on our experience. And let us not shy away from constructive criticism, for it too plays a vital role in maintaining the high standards of the Airbnb community. And so, dear viewers, our journey through the world of Airbnb draws to a close. We've explored the platform's intricacies, from crafting the perfect listing to navigating the nuances of hosting. We've discovered that Airbnb is more than just a place to rest our heads. It's a gateway to unique experiences, a platform for connection, and a celebration of the human spirit of adventure and hospitality. As you embark on your own Airbnb adventures, remember the lessons we've learned together. Embrace the unexpected, communicate openly and honestly, and treat every interaction as an opportunity to create a positive and lasting impact. The world is waiting to be explored, one extraordinary stay at a time. And throughout your travels, let the happy melodies of our soundtrack serve as a reminder of the joy, connection, and sense of wonder that Airbnb has to offer. Until next time, may your journeys be filled with adventure, laughter, and the warmth of human connection.